That's all right, brother. You just sit right there and recuperate. All right. Your Majesty, I had a most profound revelation on this children's fantasy weekend. It did occur to me that as children, and oft times when we have grown long past children, there is something that we often take for granted. And that is our sisters and our brothers.
Truly.
Sometimes we do not get along with them, and sometimes they annoy us and embarrass us in front of large groups of people. However, when you are in times of need, you will never find a more stalwart friend or loyal companion than your sister or your brother. Lords and ladies, this is Andrew. He is my brother, and as my brother, he has been my best friend since we were young. As a squire, he has embodied the very virtues of knightly chivalry. And as a warrior, well, your Majesty, if we were called upon to defend this blessed land from the legions of hell itself, I would not want a man more by my side than he. Everything that I have achieved in this life, I owe to him, my brother. And your Majesty, there is no Turner under heaven's bright sun more worthy of knighthood than Andrew. And so I will crave this favour on this festival day.
Truly, sir, if he is all these things, then how could he not be a knight? Andrew Turner, come forward. Aye, sir. Take a knee down there, please. Bobbles to go. Thank thee, sir. I assume you will agree. Aye! Please go then. Good sir. Yes. Aye. No, there you are. Then in the name of God, Saint Julian, and Sir Jacob, I do dub thee Andrew Turner, the newest knight of our garter. Do rise, sir, and greet thy people.
I love you, brother!
Oh yes, now I feel very safe. Well done.
Well, why don't you introduce the Queen's present? Oh! Right, the Queen's present! Right, I forgot. Well, now that I am Sir Andrew Turner, I would like to present unto you, Queen Elizabeth, and all these people assembled here, another lovely duo from España, Don Juan